Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial section we are going to create our custom DevExpress component named phone number. So let's first go to the solution and let's right click, add, and we'll say new class, and from here I will say my phone number text edit, because we'll inherit from text edit, and we say add. As usual, we set this one to public and attribute with toolbox item, and we set it true, and it will be inherited from my text edit. And let's go for the constructions. First, I just want to from text alignment, I just want to be centered. I will say properties, appearance, text options, horizontal alignment, and I will make it to center. This is the first. Second one, we'll change the mask. First we have to define the mask type, and we'll say properties and then mask and then mask type. Here we'll choose the regular for the phone number, because it is if you check it, you'll see phone number is in regular. And then we'll say properties, and then we say mask and edit mask, and now we write our mask. I put that here. So as you know that the phone number is like this, is start from 0, 5 for example, I give 1 and then 3 other digits and 2 and 2. I will make a mask like this one. So first I will write, because usually this is inside parentheses, it is like this. So I write my parentheses. I will write 0 first, and then /d and question mark. This it means it can be null. And let's copy this one. You say 1, 2, 3. And then we put space, we write 1, 2, 3, space 1, 2, and space 1, 2. This is like this. And also, whenever we write the mask, and the moment we don't write the rest of them, it will put all of them is 0. We don't want this one. We want to prevent this one. In order to prevent, we go to properties and mask, and we have autocomplete. I will set it none. It is like this. Let's build our component. Control Shift B. Let's delete this one, and let's go to the form one, and let's write it my phone number text edit, and let's run it. How does it look like? As you see that the moment I focus it, back color is changed because it inherited from my text edit. And as you see that it center our phone number from horizontal alignment, I choose the center, and we have a 0 and parentheses. For example, I can start writing 5, and it's like this. This mask is just for the phone number. This is like this. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel and see you in next video.